Yeah, now we start.
So,
How are you?
yeah, I'm doing great. So now you are feeling comfortable to talk to me.
Yeah, I'm comfortable. Absolutely comfortable. First, if you, I would like to know about you.
Okay, so this is the Satyanarayan. I'm calling from Agra city of Uttar Pradesh.
Okay.
I'm doing actually recently I'm a student of final year. Uh, yes, I'm pursuing BA Bachelor of Art. That's my brief introductions. Saying that I am a student of final year pursuing BA. Yeah, that is my brief introductions. So
Okay,
how
brief
about you?
introduction. Yeah, I'm good. So I'd like to know what are your hobbies?
Okay, so my hobbies is like I love to read book and I like to play football, volleyball, etc. When I feel free, so I do I always try to learn something. This is my hobbies.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you are from Maharashtra.
I am not from Maharashtra. I am just I am calling to you Agra city, Uttar Pradesh.
Agra city, Uttar Pradesh. Okay. Okay. I'm from also. I also am from Uttar Pradesh, Bhadoni district, which is a very small district in Uttar Pradesh. Yeah. So do you want to ask something?
Yeah, so just I would like to know your
Yeah,
brief
I'm
introductions.
Gandhi Kumar Yadav. I'm from Uttar Pradesh, Bhadoni district. I did BCA in 2021, and right now I'm going to do MCA. And my hobbies are reading books, talking with the strangers, and learning new things. And my father is a farmer. My mother is a housewife. We live in a village, and that's all my introduction.
Okay, so where do you live? What is your name
Yeah,
of village?
yeah, village. It is Nagarda, Nagarda, Nagarda
Okay, okay.
in Uttar
So
Pradesh.
now you have done your graduation.
Yeah, I did graduation. I have done, and now I'm going to do MCA. But I did BCA in 2021, but due to some financial reason, I I I was not able to do the post graduation. So that's why I am at home and preparing for MCA and learning new skills.
Hmm. So what's the idea? What's the idea you're going to do MCA? Where did you get ideas? Who will
Actually,
suggest you?
yeah, I did BCA, so it's obvious that I should do MCA. Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah. So now I would like to know since when you have been learning this language, English, and why you are learning this language.
There is no any reason of behind it to start my spoken, but yeah, this is my passion. Like I am very passionate about of English language, and that is the reason I came here in this platform. So when I started my spoken, it has been too long. I think approximately has been 1 years, more than 1 years. Yeah, so there is no any reason. There is no any reason of behind it. This is my only passion. I'm very passionate about of language. So there
Okay.
is the only
So
yeah.
that means if you when you know fluency in this language, so definitely you will approach another language. Actually, you are passionate about languages.
No, I am not passionate about of languages, but I am very passionate about of English language only.
Okay, very good.
I
Okay.
love to
So
yeah, I love to sound as a good speaker.
yeah, you have been learning this language for 1 year. So tell me about your experience about this language. How do you like it, and how much trouble did you get at beginning at first?
Okay, so let me tell you what was the journey of mine. I think I have gone through it very worst situation to get it like this level of English language because when we started when I started my spoken that time I did a lot practice. I did not able to speak a single word of English language. But by God grace, I did, as I said that I did a lot practice of spoken on the audio call. There is one application name of Talk Now. So I do practice on the Talk Now, and actually Within 6 or 7 months, I did more than 3 or 5 thousand conversation in on
Okay,
audio
very,
call.
yeah,
Hmm.
yeah. Yeah, you
Because
are. Yeah, it is very inspiration for me. Okay, actually, you have
hmm.
much about this experience this about this language. So thank you. And yeah, I'd like to know about your daily routine.
So daily routines.
Yeah.
Daily routine of mine, like I am a sports person, and so it's a very difficult to to like what you want to know, like daily routine of my English journey, or do daily routine of my my
Actually,
activities.
yeah, only English journey. And your daily routine. What do you do for improve your improvement of spoken English every day?
Okay, nowadays actually I have committed by myself to give 1.5 to 2 hours every day for the spoken part, and I used to do read or write as well, but still I am not doing that because of my exams already has started. As I said that I am a student of final year. So yes, again I started like apart from English, apart from practice of spoken, again I started doing like reading or write as well. So yeah, I am doing that. But when it comes to spoken, I give my time 2 hours every day, 1.5 2 hours every day for spoken part. And yeah, I do that only. This is my activities. What I'm doing it.
Okay, so you said you are a sports person, man. So which sports person? Actually, which game? Which game do you like? You know, cricket.
Actually, I used to do sports.
Football.
I had professional athlete, a runner of long distance. But right now I'm not doing. I am teaching the student where where people comes up after cracking the competitive exams. So I will teach them how to crack the competitive exams. So right now I'm not doing my sports. I am teaching some students as well in sports activities.
Okay, okay, very good. Thank you. So, when did you know about this application, Sky?
Okay, so I used to watch a lot of video on YouTube video. Yeah, so I just once one time I watched some videos. So I got to know like there's some application of Skype. We just if you will do that, so you will record that video, and you watch in any time after recording. You just scroll in the gallery, then you can see whatever you love to see that. So
Okay, okay.
yeah, it's a hmm.
Let me ask you one thing. Is that you are also learning English, and I'm also learning English, and a lot of people are learning English. So, how difficult it is when we start from beginning? So, what is your experience?
Difficult. There is no really difficult, brother. If you have desire, if you have goals, if you have
Can
I totally I would like to say that.
If you don't mind, can I ask you something? Can you speak more louder so that I can hear you, properly?
Okay. So I was
Yeah,
saying that like if you, there is no any like very this is not cup of this is not rocket science, I can say. Like this is like
yeah, yeah,
if
right.
you have
It is.
desire, if you have desire, if you have something in your minds to do, so everything is possible, brother. Just
Yeah, anything is possible
start
if
to
you
find.
want to.
Hmm.
Yeah, do
Just
and something. If you want to do something, so you have to struggle. You have to do hard. Yeah,
right.
yeah. So actually, what was your background? You know, you know, where do you where did you study till 12th?
Sorry.
In Hindi medium or English?
No, I totally belong to Hindi mediums. I did my 10 plus 2 from I did 10 plus 2 from Hindi mediums as government school. And yeah, I totally, actually
Your voice
I
is breaking. I can't hear you properly.
so yeah, I
Hello.
cannot hear.
Yeah, yeah. I sometimes I can't hear properly. It is a network issue, I think.
Yes, yes, it is network. It's a happen. It's happen.
Yeah. So, are you interested in grammar in English?
Yeah, I am interested too much. It is like it is very important. Without grammar, like
Yeah.
if you know a little bit grammar rules, then you will like able to make sentence. Otherwise, no, it's not. Like it's very difficult to make sentence. So it is very important.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
I
So,
don't like to go into too deep in grammar
since
because of it
when?
is just confuse you a lot.
Yeah, you are living in, you know, where?
I'm talking to you from Agra city of Uttar Pradesh.
Agra city.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is a, capital of Uttar Pradesh.
This is not capital of Uttar Pradesh.
Lucknow. Oh, Lucknow.
Hmm.
Yeah, I can
It's now
understand. But
capital.
it's a very famous city in Uttar Pradesh, Agra. So, since when have been living there?
That has been too long. I think more than 6 or 7 years.
So,
Because of
have you been to Agra, Taj Mahal?
yes, I have visited many times. I think more than 3 or 4 times I have visited.
Times. Okay, very good. So, can you tell me about Taj Mahal a little bit?
Okay, so ask me what you like to know about Taj Mahal. So definitely, I will give accordingly your.
Okay. So, please speak loudly. Okay. Actually, I you are not speaking properly. Actually, I can't hear you properly.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. It could be a network issue. That's okay. So now, do you have any question for me?
Okay, so where you are living right now, like there is lots of trees, I think behind you are
Yeah.
lots of trees.
Yeah. I'm in my garden. Okay.
Okay, what it is like? It is a tree of mango or it is a tree of
No. It is
like
a wild tree. Wild tree.
okay, one trees. Okay. So there is a mango trees. There is a mango trees.
Yeah. There are lots of mango tree.
Okay. So can I see because of I am very big like I am very fond of like nowadays I think season is going, mango
Yeah.
season is going.
But, where I am right now, there is no mango tree. Okay, they are far from here, so I have to go to them. Okay, yeah, it is a
Okay.
far from here, so excuse me, I
Okay,
I
no
will not able
issues,
to
no
there.
issues, brother, no issues. So, brother, like I think it's a time to move on because of I have lots of work to do. So allow me to go. We will connect
Okay,
soon.
okay,
Yeah,
thanks
till
for
then,
your
take
time.
care.
Thanks for your time. Okay, have a nice day.